Understand? You want to listen Shiv Stuti, like other parts of Shiv Stuti? I can sing because
sing whatever you want.
Namami Shamishana Nirvana Rupam Vibhum Vyapakam Brahma Veda Swarupam Nijam Nirgunam Nirvikalpam Niriham Chidakashmakashvasham Bhajeham Nirakar Omkar Moolam Turiyam Gira Jnana Gotitamisham Girisham Karalam Mahakalakalam Kripalam Gunagar Sansara Param Natoham Tusharadrishankash-Gauram Gambhiram Manobhut-Koti Prabhu Shri Shariram Svanmaulikallo-Lini Charu Ganga Lasadhala-Balendu-Kante Bhujanga Jalatkundalam Sumitram Vishalam Prasannananam Neelakantam Dayalam Mrigadhish Charma Baram Mundamalam Priyam Shankaram Sarvanatham Bhajami Prachandam Prakashtam Pradalbham Paresham Akhandam Ajambhanukoti Prakasham Trayashula Nirmulanam Shulpanim Bhajeham Bhavani Patim Bhavagamyam Kalatit Kalyana Kalpantakari Sada Sachidananda Data Purari Chidananda Sandoha Moha Pahari Prasida Prasida Prabhu Manmathari Nayavad Umanatha Padaravindam Bhajante Loke Pareva Narana Natavat Sukham Santi Santapunasham Prabhu Pahiyapan Namami Shishambho न जानामि योगं जपं नैव पूजा न तोऽहं सदा सर्वदा सम्भुतोऽभ्यं जरा जन्म दुःखोदताताप्यमानं प्रभु पाहि आपन् नमामि शम्भो नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव.
Wow.
This is the Shiva Stuti.
Oh my God, that was so beautiful. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.